Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okersinski with your weekly lecture video. So, for this week, week two, we have a couple of readings and discussion board posts about the challenges, opportunities of AI, particularly ChatGPT. It's been much conversation over the last year or so about chat and its possibilities at AI. Chat seemed to be the first one out the gate. Many other companies have followed suit, including Microsoft and Google. So, the purpose here of this activity is to begin a conversation about the possibilities and even the pitfalls of AI. So, if I head over to the module, we have a couple of articles here. Discussion board two actually has the article, What is ChatGPT and Why Does It Matter? An interesting piece by Sabrina Ortiz, which talks about chat. Okay. The other article in discussion board number three, let me get there, here to the modules, and over to discussion board three is why we're obsessed with chat and it's all of its possibilities. Some people have used it effectively in both education and in the work world. I think society and also really the world are trying to find out what the possibilities are. There is no doubt that AI will influence the workforce and education as we move forward. Still in the beginning phases of the development, what can it do for us? Will it be something that enhances our development as humans and allows us to be more productive and efficient, or is it something that will ultimately take the place of humans in certain functions, either in the work world or really revolutionize how we deliver curriculum in all levels of education? Now, the purpose of these reading these two articles is to, in the discussion boards, is to see how well that you um, can read, summarize, and respond. So, obviously, these two articles are a part of the essay assignment that's coming up in week three. So, I'm asking you to write a one paragraph summary highlighting the main points for both authors. Now, I want to point out that I have taken a look at some of the discussion boards. And if you're writing a summary about an article, you should mention the article and the author in the summary and then highlight the main points. One thing I do want to point out, and that might come out in next week's discussion board post for about summarizing, is that there is no quoting and summary. I'm asking you to write a summary in your own words of what the author has to say. Both articles are quite long. You cannot capture all of the thoughts in a one paragraph summary. However, you should be able to get to the main points that you feel will affect your ability to answer the prompt. Like, for example, in the Why We're Obsessed article, will ChatGPT revolutionize education? So that's what I'm looking for you to respond to. So once again, it's summary, and I want to make sure that you do attribute to the author, because that's what happens when we work with the words of others. We attribute the summary to them, mentioning the author, and then also responding to the prompt. So I might have made a comment in the grading of discussion board, previous discussion board two, about the initial post does not connect to the article. So once again, if we were to look ahead a bit, and this is a bit of a preview for the instructions of the future of writing essay with the two articles, I ask you read the instructions clearly. I've already had an email about this. Begin your essay with a summary of the articles, capturing the common themes. I'm not looking for wasted words, no introduction required or even wanted. Just open with the summary of the two articles. And after your opening summary, respond to their arguments. Do you agree, disagree, and why? So I offer some prompts. So I'm asking you to summarize, response. That's it. All right. So the discussion boards are designed to um, purposely get you reading and discussing the two articles. All right. So as I get to the announcements here and wrap up with the week 2 schedule, the two posts are due Tuesday, Friday, respectively, and then the responses by Sunday. If you have any questions or issues, please send me an email.